utilize the coronavirus scare, epidemic, as a ground to enable the LGUs to declare a local state of calamity. Yun ang proposal ko as chair of the Committee on Local Government. Enable our LGUs to declare a local state of calamity as warranted depending on the number of positives. Yung positive na tao. So, sila na yun. And then with that, it would unleash the utilization of calamity funds that would enable them to set up the appropriate medical emergency mechanisms to deal with the situation.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.